It's very important that one should never think that spirituality is about giving up anything. This whole thing of renunciation and detaching yourself from society and people will give you liberation? No. You will reach a point in your spiritual journey where you will realize that every single moment of your life is spiritual. Every moment of your life is about your growth. Every moment of your life is about reaching a state where your consciousness merges with this infinite source. That's real, true spirituality. It's not about giving up things. In spiritual circles, you often hear discussions about living without marriage, without children, without intimacy, money, and various other things. But the question is, if you feel compelled to give up something, it must be something you truly desire. And spirituality isn't about sacrificing what you want, it's about understanding why you want or don't want something. Why did you choose a particular thing to renounce? Why a relationship? Why children? Why financial stability? Why success? It's because you lack them. Deep spirituality delves into the why. It's about understanding why something holds such significance that you are willing to devote your life to obtaining it or renouncing it. The question of spirituality is way deeper than doing and not doing, way deeper than getting and not getting. It's the question why. That's the major step in spirituality when you get past this getting and not getting, doing and not doing, having and not having, succeeding and failing. What you're going to find out is that that is the area where you're blocked. And any blockage comes with attachment. Now, what is attachment really? Attachment occurs when you derive enjoyment from something and form a connection to it. However, if it doesn't work out or causes you pain, you seek detachment, known as vairagya. So we have attachment, detachment, and then there is a state called beyond attachment, wherein one becomes profoundly intimate with life. A person who transcends attachment and detachment becomes water. As intimacy is beyond both attachment and detachment, you merge with the situation, embodying true intimacy with life. In this state, there is neither attraction nor repulsion. You simply reflect life without any reactive responses. And due to this philosophy of detachment and vairagya, many people miss out on living life to the fullest. They fail to truly experience it. They start believing that detachment is necessary for understanding ideas and philosophy, and they end up neither achieving detachment nor fully embracing life. And those who have left things behind in pursuit of detachment find themselves haunted by their thoughts. They keep revisiting those experiences in their dreams, even though they have physically detached or moved away from all those relations. Getting detached from life is more about detaching from your ideas about life. You cannot detach from life itself. If you become meditative, you'll experience people and things much more deeply without necessarily detaching from them. You become like a mirror, reflecting situations without being attached to them. Detachment shouldn't mean resisting things. Instead, it's about welcoming everything without fighting or resisting. By not resisting, you gain power over your emotions and thoughts because you realize they are ultimately your own projections. This non fighting attitude allows you to become aware of your emotions and thoughts without being controlled by them.